Hi, welcome to Sean's Kitchen. For the simple and tasty recipe of this white sauce pasta, I'm going to now start with this recipe by first taking a pan. To that pan, here I'm going to be adding 4 cups of water. After adding the water, here I'm then going to wait for the water to start boiling. Once the water starts boiling, here I'm then going to add 2 cups of penne pasta, which is made of wheat. Here you can alternatively add any pasta of your choice. After adding the 2 cups of pasta, here I'm also going to be adding half a teaspoon of salt. And after adding the salt, I'm then going to let this pasta boil for a period of 12 minutes. After 12 minutes, here you can check if the pasta has become soft, and if it has, here you can then drain the excess water with the help of the colander and then keep the pasta aside. After draining the water and keeping the pasta aside, here you can then add 2 tablespoons of oil to a pan. After adding the oil, here you can also add 4 chopped garlic cloves. And along with that, here you can then add half a small chopped onion. After adding both of these ingredients, I'm now going to mix both these ingredients really well and then fry this for a period of 1 minute. Here you do not want to overcook this so that the garlic does not get burned. After frying this for 1 minute, here you can then add half a chopped red capsicum, and along with that, here you can also add half a chopped yellow capsicum. Adding both of these ingredients really gives a vibrant color to the dish. After adding these 2 ingredients, you can now mix this really well with the onion and garlic and fry this for another 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, once all the vegetables have cooked thoroughly, you can now keep the vegetables aside. After that, here you can once again take a pan, and to this pan, here I'm now going to add 1.5 tablespoon of butter. Along with the butter, here I'm also going to be adding 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. After adding all of the all-purpose flour, I'm now going to mix this thoroughly along with the butter. At the time the butter blends well with the all-purpose flour, this should take about 1 minute. After a minute, as you can see here, the butter is mixed really well with the all-purpose flour. Here I'm then going to add 1 cup of milk and mix this continuously while cooking it for a period of 2 minutes until the time it gets a creamy texture. After 2 minutes, once it gets a creamy texture, here I'm once again going to add 1 cup of milk and then once again continuously mix this until the time there are no lumps formed. Here I'm going to be mixing this and cooking this for a period of 2 minutes. As you can see here, I'm continuously mixing this throughout the process because you really don't want any lumps formed in your white sauce pasta. After 2 minutes, here I'm then going to add 1/4 teaspoon of red chilli flakes, 1/4 teaspoon of oregano, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, lastly half a teaspoon of salt. I'm now going to mix all these ingredients really well and let this cook for a period of 2 minutes on low flame. Here you can mix all of this really well until the time the spices and herbs blend well with the white sauce. After that, here you can then add the fried vegetables which I had kept aside earlier. After adding all the fried vegetables, you can mix this really well with the white sauce and let this cook for a period of 1 minute until the time this also blends with the white sauce. After that, here you can then add the boiled pasta which I had kept aside. After adding the pasta, you can now mix this really well with the sauce and let this cook for a period of 3 minutes. Here I'm going to be cooking this on low-medium flame. After 3 minutes, here you can now switch off the flame and your delicious white sauce pasta is now ready to be served. So I really hope you did like this recipe and you also did enjoy it, and if you did, please do take this time by liking this video and also by subscribing to my channel to get many more notifications for the different types of recipes which I make. Thank you so much.